This is a 1950 Ford F1, and I videoed it back in 2015, and the camera wasn't as great. This is a better one. I think you have a better quality video now, and this condition is exceptional, just like it was in 2015. 6 years later, you would never know it. Beautiful original 239 flathead V8. Here we have some information about the features of the truck and the prizes that it has won. Truly exceptional. I think, as you saw, the paint and body work is done by an artist who's now deceased, but again, in the spirit of congratulations for a job well done, he's been memorialized here on that plaque. That box that you see underneath the dash houses the heater and a couple of assorted gauges. And that was kind of a mystery back in 2015. Notice the gauges on the dash. Beautiful job. Hubcaps and wheel trim rings. Amazing. And look at the woodwork in that truck bed. The color on this truck is exceptional. Very vivid. I want to thank the owner for bringing it out again and taking such good care of it over the years. And you notice the black beading there in the body. That helps to ward off potential rust spaces. Very good way to do it.